That's how we play that game. And this one is also another online game. It's very fun. Students can also connect their new learning, that which is color words, to their background experience. And it's also their hands-on experience too. So for the games, it's not always individual. You can make it as a group game, just like what I did. So it's very flexible. I like to use games for students because it's fun and they can still learn a lot through the games. Is it loaded? Click here to play. Let's click. So start a new game. So how we can play this game is, look at this tube. It goes to the purple ball, so you have to choose a color that match this purple. So here I will demonstrate how we play this game to students first, and then they give me command like, what's next? I will ask them. They will say purple, so I click purple. Okay, and then I'm going to ask them, what's next? In order to make the whole area the same color, we have to choose red. So they're going to tell me red. Let me choose red. See? It all changing to red. And then I'm going to ask them, what's the next color? And some will say green, some will say purple. So I'm just going to choose one of them, or even yellow. So green. Yeah, green. How about next? Yellow. And the next? Purple. So that's how you play this game until the whole area, all the balls show the same color. And here they're going to tell you how many moves you did. And you only have 25 moves maximum. So if you have if you have enough computers, or you have a computer lab, you can put students into computers. You can let them play it individual or in group, in pairs. Like one student gives the command and the other student just follow the instruction and see who is the winner or which pair is the winner. It should be a fun game. Okay, so the next one is a song. After we learned all the color words and practiced them, we're going to sing this song together.
Red, yellow, blue, and green, stand up. Red, yellow, blue, and green, turn around and stretch up high above your head. Red, yellow, blue, and green, sit down. Pink, purple, brown, and tan, stand up. Pink, purple, brown, and tan, turn around and stretch up high above your head. Pink, purple, brown, and tan, sit down. Gold, silver, black, and white, stand up. Gold, silver, black, and white, turn around and stretch up high above your head. Gold, silver, black, and white, sit down.
As you heard that there are 3 groups of colors. So what I'm going to play is, I'm going to divide students into 3 groups, and each student I'm going to give her or him a different color. For example, yellow. Or the other student B, I'm going to give him or her gray. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to play the song, and when they hear the song, for example, gold, yellow, gray, then white, stand up. So when they hear their color, they have to follow what the sun asks them to do. So they have to stand up and they have to turn around. But for other students who don't have these colors, they don't need to stand up. So 3 groups of students will rotate and follow the sun, and in the end we're going to sing them together. So this is a very good way of using TPR, which is total physical response, to teach students. Okay, then the last activity I have is a group work, and I want them to practice the same. What's your favorite color? So they're going to have a piece of printout, and on the printout it says find someone whose favorite color is red, blue, purple, black, pink, etc. So they have to go around and ask their classmate, what's your favorite color? If their classmate said red, then they can put that person's name down. So, and in the end, I'm going to ask them to sit down and tell me whose favorite color is red. Then somebody can tell me, for example, Jack or Judy or somebody like that. Okay, this is their homework. It's some color sheets. Write the color of animal you see in the blank space. You have choices like red, orange, yellow, brown, black, green, and white. And the next exercise, group of exercises are online. So when they go home, they can log on to internet and practice those exercises. For example, this is a group of hot potato exercises. What colors are they? What's the color of the sea? So if they choose black, it's going to tell them it's not right. Blue, that's correct. And there are 7 questions like this. So in the end, it's going to tell them what their score is. Let's move on to the next one. Puzzle. It's also a hot potato exercise. For example, red. So you can type in the number, or sorry, you can type in the letter and it will have the response, the feedback to you right away. The next one is spelling. Here, for example, you have 3 letters. You have to put them in the right order. You put R-E-D here, and you can click check. You're correct. That's correct. That's all for lesson 1.